再来看美国参议院的军事委员会主席维克尔，今仔是带国会代表团来台湾访问，早起飞到松山机场。维克尔是表示讲，因这次的目的是要来强调美国甲咱台湾的伙伴关系。
We are delighted to be here as part of an American delegation to reinforce and emphasize the great partnership that the United States and Taiwan talk to our friends and allies in Taiwan about what we're doing to enhance worldwide peace, the kind of peace through strength that Ronald Reagan talked about. We stand here to re-emphasize the partnership and the security friendship agreement that the United States has had with Taiwan.
维克尔强调讲，即届甲台湾甲盟友来讨论讲，要安怎来促进全球的和平。伫今年美国国防授权法中哦，会阁来进补相关的条款。美国参议员费雪嘛是访问团的成员，伊嘛已经伫夏威夷甲印太司令见过面，嘛去关岛庇留各菲律宾。总统赖清德嘛安排下晡要来接见访问团。